Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to explore a selection of natural remedies that will help you improve your sleep quality. If you have trouble falling asleep or desire to enjoy a deeper and more restful rest, you are in the right place. These remedies are based on the power of nature and have been used for centuries to promote peaceful and restorative sleep. Join us as we discover these valuable resources that can help you relax and prepare for a rejuvenating and restoring sleep. Let's begin our journey towards revitalizing and restorative rest. 1. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic plant used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. In addition to its properties for reducing stress and anxiety, ashwagandha can also help improve sleep quality. Its active compounds, known as withanolides, have calming effects and can regulate sleep patterns. Ashwagandha can help you relax and promote restorative sleep. You can find it in the form of powder, capsules, or liquid extracts. It is recommended to take it before bedtime to enjoy its calming effects. 2. Chamomile is a plant popularly known for its calming and digestive properties. However, it is also an excellent natural remedy for insomnia. Chamomile contains compounds like apigenin, which act as mild sedatives and promote relaxation. Besides helping to fall asleep, chamomile can alleviate irritability and muscular tension. You can enjoy a cup of warm chamomile tea before bedtime to take advantage of its relaxing benefits. You can also use chamomile compresses to relieve tension in the eyes and promote restorative sleep. 3. Lavender is a plant widely known for its pleasant aroma and relaxing properties. It contains compounds like linalool, which have calming effects and help reduce stress and anxiety. Lavender can promote a state of relaxation that facilitates sleep. You can use lavender essential oil in a diffuser before bedtime, apply it to your pillow, or even take a bath with lavender bath salts to enjoy its relaxing benefits. Additionally, lavender can also help alleviate headaches and migraines, which can contribute to better rest. 4. Passion flower, also known as flower of passion, is another plant used to treat sleep disorders. It contains flavonoids and alkaloids that have sedative and anxiolytic properties, helping to reduce anxiety and promoting restful sleep. Besides improving sleep quality, passion flower can also help calm restless thoughts and induce a sense of relaxation. You can consume it in the form of teas, liquid extracts, or capsules. It is recommended to take it before bedtime to enjoy its relaxing benefits. 5. Valerian is a perennial plant that has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for insomnia. It contains compounds like valerianic acid, which act as mild sedatives and help relax the nervous system. Besides promoting deeper sleep, valerian can also help alleviate anxiety and stress. You can find it in the form of teas, capsules, or tinctures. It is recommended to take it approximately 30 minutes before bedtime for best results. However, it is essential to note that some people may experience residual drowsiness upon waking, so it is advisable to try it for the first time on a night with no commitments. 6. Tilia tea infusion is a gentle and effective natural remedy for promoting sleep. Known for its relaxing and sedative properties, tilia, also called linden, has been used for centuries as a natural option to aid in falling asleep. To prepare the infusion, simply add dried tilia flowers to a cup of hot water, let it steep for a few minutes, and then strain the mixture. By drinking this infusion before bedtime, you can enjoy its calming benefits. Tilia contains compounds such as flavonoids and terpenes, which have relaxing properties and can help reduce stress and anxiety. It is important to remember to consume tilia infusion in moderation and avoid combining it with other sedatives to maintain a proper balance in your nighttime rest. Remember that each person is unique and may respond differently to these natural remedies. It is important to listen to your body and find the option that works best for you. If you experience chronic or severe sleep problems, we recommend consulting a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and personalized treatment. We hope this additional information about tilia tea infusion is helpful in your search for restful and quality sleep. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to receive updates on our upcoming videos. Sweet dreams and rest well. Until next time.